21st century, especially our young men. We are often seen as weak if we are opening up about our feelings and our emotions. That's why the enemy has created this lie, if I call it that it's better to take your own life than to talk about your feelings. There's people in this church that have been affected by it. And so we see it in Rwanda, we see it everywhere, that young men take their own life. We've heard just recently, young men, take their own life because the notion is that you are seen as weak if you open up about your feelings. But David, that's what makes him so special. He opens up, he's quite raw about his emotions. And sometimes he's quite explicit about his emotions because he knew that there's nothing that I can hide from God. He might as well just be open with God. I'm standing here today and I thought about it this morning, and I thought I wish I could hear, especially with our young men out there. I wish I could hear. I wish I could be in tune with the silent cry of the young men out there. The silent cry is not only a cry, but it's a silent scream of all the raging emotions inside of them. And they have this turmoil inside of them, but they don't know how to verbalize it. Because what are they going to think about me if I tell them that I struggle? What are they going to think about me if I tell them, hey brothers, I'm walking in shame here, please help me? What are they going to think about me when I say I struggle with anxiety or I'm fearful about my future? What are they going to think about me?